we started Farm Tour, I certainly never imagined that we could have 20,000 people show up on someone's farm. Every time we walk on stage at Farm Tour and see the heart of America, the heartland, the Southeast, people from all walks of life showing up in the middle of a hayfield on somebody's family farm, it's one of the most inspiring things that I've ever been a part of. And every time it happens, I just have to stand up there and shake my head and pinch myself. Thanks for waking up with me on Rise Before Sunrise.